Hello and welcome to PCN, your plant care network. And today I am excited to show you a brand new product from Shallow Roots. It is the repotting mat. Now, I know it's the beginning of spring, and like all of you, I know I've got lots of plants that need a repotting and a good water. So why not grab one of these? Let me just show you this. It's flat. You can fold it down, you can roll it up, you can pop it in a drawer, you can pop it in a cupboard, you can pop it in your pocket. You know, it goes down really small, and I know for us that live in the city, it's really hard to get that space. Space is everything. So it's nice that you can just fold that up, unfold it, clip the corners, and away you go. Now, so many of us have plants that are desperate for a repot. But what's the number one thing that stops us from repotting? You've got it, mess. We just hate that mess. We avoid it like the plague. But I'm going to show you today how this wonderful product helps us keep that mess at bay. Here I've got a Sansevieria dying to get out of this pot. He's saying, please, free me. So that's what I'm about to do. I've got my pot it's going to go into, and I've got my soil. So I'm going to pop it in there, get that soil in there. Oh, there we go. There's so much mess, but I don't mind, because you know what? It's contained on my mat. So we pop it down. We've done all of that, and there we go. Happy as Larry in its new pot. And you know what we haven't got? Mess. So let me show you what we do next. Any of that extra soil we've got in there, we just release one of the corners and we just pour it away. And there you are. Lovely clean table, desk, floor space, anywhere you use, you can eat off of that. It's so clean. And that's why this plant mat is something you need in your life. Let me show you something else it does. It's not just a one-trick pony. It's got two tricks. So we've got all our plants here. They don't want to have a bath by themselves. They want to get watered together. Let's get a few of its mates. Throw it in here. Get them all together. And then we can just water. You know, lots of us, as I said, we live in these apartments, we live in these flats. We don't have the space to be able to water all our plants together. But here on this waterproof mat, we can water them all, and they can keep all that water in there and have a bath together, enjoy. Hang on, I can hear them. They're happy. They're saying, thank you so much, Mama, for all this lovely water. So this is us here. And you know, if you want to get your own, I suggest you buy now. You can see the link there, scan that QR code, and you can go over to our website and grab one of your own. And you know what? It's not just this color. We've got a number of different versions. We have got the Luxe vegan leather, as you can see there. And we also have lavender. So you can really get one that suits your style, suits your mood. Maybe you're a bit more upbeat and you want this. Maybe you want the luxury version, or you want the monochrome. You've got the selection to be able to pick. As I said, get them now. I can see the numbers, they're flying off. And I just want you to not miss out on this amazing product, because, you know, once it's gone, it's gone. So you just need to get in and get this a part of your life and enjoy the repotting season. Bye for now.